What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We're back with another video. Hey, so today we're gonna do something different. Got Captain Steve-O, got Taylor back there, and Chris, of course. Hey guys, as you know, grouper season just opened. We're looking for a tasty gag. We're gonna be trolling some artificial lures today. Check out, we got some of the bigger rigs on board. It's gonna be doing some trolling. We got some bad weather off in the distance. We're gonna be monitoring, and then the winds are a little higher, but I think it's gonna be a good time. Show you some of the lures we're gonna throw, or pull, I should say. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, take a bite of that, Chris.
And that looks good right there.
That look tasty. Come on.
8 foot of water.
Actually, that's not really where it's at. This is where it's at, guys. This is the
Taylor's
top.
favorite.
Top secret stuff.
Taylor's favorite.
So, you like that?
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, don't be looking at that right there, guys.
I like that color.
These actually, I wanted to stop and get some real pink ones. This looks orange in the water, and I don't know, they ain't producing as well. Of course, and then white. White.
This one? No.
I bet we're gonna catch a tarpon.
White is probably the best one out of all of them, but it really depends, guys. You got to try and change it up, because sometimes it's green, sometimes it's pink, sometimes it's white.
I want to feel your rubber.
Stay tuned. Should be a good time.
All right, get ready. 25 foot.
All right, so what are you running, white?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, white. Big turtle in front of us. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Oh, there.
I'm sorry, Chris. This was your fish, dude. That was natural instinct. Me grabbing this rod. Right when I reset it, too. This is a keeper.
Group patrol action, look at that. Let's go.
This freaking high speed, I don't like it for grouper, but it works. What? Oh, you're fine. He's almost here. He's a keeper, man. Yeah, he destroyed the hell out of that thing.
Right on the edge.
Grab that. Grab.
Here, grab it right there.
Here she comes, boys and girls.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look. And he bit the tail off.
Dang.
6.5?
26.5. What?
Let's guess.
I'm going to say 26.5. Because I measured 27.
No,
26
26
on the dot.
and a, I mean, no, that's 26 and a half.
Yeah.
26.
Oh, he got it right.
I measured 27 yesterday. Look, just like that.
You screwed up, grouper.
Get the wrong tail. What color is that?
This thing on?
Yeah, yellow and pink.
Steven? You gonna turn this on?
Yeah.
You don't need to get that up. What's up, guys? What's up? Point take my camera down, Chris, for me, if you don't mind. So you feel like you got any weight to it?
I don't, it feels like it's coming right at the boat right now. There we go. Need the net? Net. Small guy?
Yep.
No key Gordy. Well, there's a fish though.
There you go, on the white. Pink jig head.
He destroyed that thing. All right, guys. That is a group of salmon. They're eating white, boys. They're eating white. You feel a little heavier?
Yeah.
It looked a little heavier.
You are? Yeah. Pulling up the plane.
Do we need the net? Hey, we need a keeper just a little bit heavier.
Dang it.
23.
saying, he is a little bigger though.
Yeah. This one's got
Well, another shorty, guys. That's it. On the white. Here. On the white. Tell nobody. You ready to let it go? There he goes, Chris.
He tried to give you
all right, boys.
grouper slap. Oh yeah, but he's moving like the first one.
Man, look at that. Look at that wall. That's why I'm like, I'm looking at the bottom like, you tripped. And then it goes,
And then you came back and smoked it again.
look at that thing. The lure.
I bet that's bigger than it.
We should have just kept trolling him. Oh, damn, I'll let you get that one. Think you can handle it. That monster right there. Oh, man, look at that.
Hey, dude.
That's gotta be the smallest one I've ever seen trolling. You're welcome. So this was the first trip of the grouper season when it was actually open. So today, guys, just so you know, I was using the St. Croix Triumph fishing rod. This is the 20 to 40 pound class, 7-foot medium power. I like this tip on this rod, especially for trolling. It has the dial with Saltese, and this is 50-pound braid. Guys, this is the perfect little combination for your inshore, especially Tampa Bay grouper trolling, in my opinion. It's a lightweight outfit, nice little combo. Today we're trolling the Mission Fishing jig head. This is a 3-ounce jig head. You can find those on Mission Fishing's website. And then a nice little 8-inch grub or curly tail grub and a number 2 planer. This is the Sea Striker, I believe, planer that comes in black. Now we were using 60-pound leader, 15 to 20 feet long, trolling between 5 and 7 miles per hour. You saw we caught about 4 grouper, and the majority of those bites came at the transition of the tide. So you want to be cognizant of that and make sure you're trolling at the right times. If you like this video, guys, please give a thumbs up, comment below. Hey, have you caught your grouper this year? Let me know, and subscribe if you haven't already. Till next time, I'll see you on the water.